Hi my loves, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Mel. If you're new here, we're doing a hair review. We're doing this gorgeous unit. Blonde is here. Honestly, I'm just feeling like a baddie in this hair. You can't tell me nothing. Like, she looks so cute. This is Arabella Hair, and I'm gonna do the full install. And I have some tricks, okay? Because do you see the melt? This might be my best melt yet. So if you want to see this install and some little tricks along the way, then let's get into it. Okay, we're here. Let's get into it. As you can see, my hair is black, so we're gonna have to hide that. This is an instance where you have to do a bald cap method. There's no way around it because this unit is giving blonde, almost like, I almost see like a rose gold. I picked this out thinking it was gonna eat, and I do really like the color, but I don't know if I can pull her off. It's just gonna be such a drastic difference because, as you can see, my hair is literally jet black. I dye it the most darkest jet black, so this is gonna be exciting. Let's go ahead and do the bald cap method. I'm gonna come back once she's done because y'all know how to do that. Okay, we're bald. And I just do my bald cap like anyone else. I did spray it with wig tint this time instead of doing makeup. I don't know, I just feel like this is gonna be easier. I'm so excited to put this on. I used to have blonde hair. I used to have blonde curly hair, and my hair was absolutely fried. So this is gonna give the vibe without frying my hair. Hello, thank you. This is an interesting strap also. I've never really seen one like this. It's not your typical, it's actually very thin. I have a feeling it's gonna be really comfortable, so hopefully so. Let's just go ahead and put her on. Enough yapping. Oh my god. Stop. I feel so cute in there. Okay, I know usually when I put a wig on, I'm like, oh my god. But like, for real, this is actually so cute. I gotta brush her out. I want to see what she looks like, girl. When I said I used to have blonde hair, my blonde hair was not giving this. This is so much better than anything that I could achieve from dyeing my hair. And that's why I love playing with wigs, because I feel like wigs, makeup, contacts, like they're all just fun ways of, I don't know, just expressing yourself and just channeling a different part of yourself. Should I change my top? Yeah, I'm gonna change my top so that as I install this, I can feel the vibes of being a hottie. Not me trying to change on camera with you. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back with the top on. Oh my god. I just can't. I feel so cute with this hair. I feel like this is the right kind of blonde for me. I can't wait to lay her down. I am gonna go ahead and use my Got To Be across the hairline so that we can get her situated. I feel so cute with this hair on. I used to use my blow dryer, but honestly this hand fan is so much more convenient and it's way less noisy and it's just as fast. So I don't know, this is what I do now. Plus I feel kind of like, I don't know, I like it. I like how it feels. It's part of the vibe.
Destined for your touch and the way you move, you hypnotize me with your lips. You've got me losing control, waiting on you to make your move. It's all on you, baby, to make your move. It's all on you, baby. It's all on you. I ain't gonna hold you. You make me feel like I'm frozen. Everything's getting slower when I look in your eyes, girl.
Okay, so I plugged in my hot comb over here, so this is very risky, but there was no plug closer to me.
I wanna go downtown, something we used to.
I think I will do some of this though. We're gonna add some of this for the flyaways. There's not many though, to be honest. Like, she's pretty sleek. I'm gonna add a little tiny bit of concealer in the part. This part is not super defined. That's one thing that I noticed like right away, which is fine. I don't need it to be really defined, but I do think that that really just helped. Like, she just was a little bit like non-existent. Okay, I'm done. I love this look. I love this hair. I have so many things that I want to do right now. Like, I want to have a photo shoot. I want to try on a bunch of crazy, like, blue, bright, icy contacts. I just want to, like, stare at myself in the mirror and appreciate how good this unit looks. One thing that I'm absolutely loving is the color of this hair. Now, blonde is really hard. We always hope that we get the color that we see, you know, on the screen. And I actually do feel like this nailed it. I don't know, it's like an icy cool tone, but it has like a rose gold tinge to it. And I love the root because it's this brownish color. I'm gonna put the details of this unit on the screen here. This one is really cute. Arabella Hair, this color is gorge. Now the hair quality, what I can say is that she feels good, but she doesn't feel like the best. Okay, now if my job was just to like look cute and tell you that the hair looks adorable, then my job is done. But my job is also to tell you the real tea on the hair. So would I say that the hair quality feels good? It feels okay. The blonde kind of feels like she's been through something. Like she kind of feels like, you know, she's really been dyed. She did shed a little bit. There's probably hair all over my floor. Like when you run your fingers through it, you're gonna get some hair that comes out. That's also something that I notice with blonde hair. It's not a lot of hair, but you know, she's shedding a little bit. Is she HD lace? I don't know. I would say probably not. Also, the cap construction of this unit is beautiful. The overall like breathable aspect of it. I love the band at the back, really soft and not heavy feeling. That's really delicate. I actually feel like overall the cap construction was made very thoughtfully, and it's like a very delicate feeling and light feeling on your head. I believe my cap is a size medium, but I will leave all of the specs and the details about this unit down below in the description. Let me know what you think of me as a blonde. I don't know. I actually love it. I think it's so cute. I feel like it's giving Lotto, like what you gonna get for my birthday, what you gonna get for my birthday. I love it. I think she's so cute. So let me know what you think of this unit. What do you think of me blondes? Is it cuter than the black? What is better? Like, should we do a side by side? What's giving? Because I kind of feel like this is the one. And thank you guys so much for watching this video and sticking with me. Now the real tea is when I do my Exposing the Influencer Treatment series. So stick with me for the next video because we have some exciting new brands to try on that series. Anyway, I will see you in a new video very soon. Make sure you like and comment so I know that I should keep making videos in this category. Bye.